Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to be introducing another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking you around the brand new VW T-Roc R with a new custom sound system. I'm going to be going through everything step by step in this video, so make sure you stay to the end. Hopefully you enjoy the video. Hit the subscribe button below. Otherwise, let's go. So in today's video, I'm going through each bit on this install that we've done. So to start off with, customer is actually a very loyal customer of ours. This is the second car that we've done for him. On the first car was, I believe, a Seat Ibiza that we actually upgraded with front Audison Prima speakers plus an Eton 10-inch sub. Customer sold that vehicle and upgraded to the VW T-Roc R, an absolutely lovely colour as well, might I add. In terms of the solution, he actually removed the Eton sub itself, but what we've done is reinstalled that with new harnessing all the way through into the T-Roc R. Plus, we've upgraded that with the Audison Prima APK 165Ps. Basically, it's a higher performance Audison Prima speaker that's gone installed into stock location. It was very important to our customer that what we've done on this system was a stock look system, but also retain that space that he wanted inside the boot, and we've done exactly that in a completely custom way. In terms of solutions, so we've got Audison Prima speakers, the APK 165, product links will all be below, guys, so make sure you go check them out. But in terms of the solution that we've got there, they're in stock location and performing really nicely, and they're all powered from the Audison Prima 8.9 amplifier. They are bridged, so we're running the 8-channel amplifier. It's actually a 4-channel, so we're running bridge to each component in the speaker system at the front. So it's what's called a fully active front end. The rear speakers are on this system running off the factory head unit, but then we've got the Eton sub mounted in a custom way as well. Customer wanted a little bit of a build to show people, but also retain space, and that's exactly what we've done. So the boot floor stays at exactly the same level, you can't see anything, but in terms of the build, we've got the Eton sub and the 8.9 amplifier mounted to one side, plus then we've jipped it down, so then we've got a new custom floor underneath a fully soundproofed area. We've soundproofed the car in terms of the front doors plus the boot area, so it's got an immense amount of soundproofing treatment gone in. What that does is three things. Basically reduce rattles, resonations that you're getting from factory door cards, also builds a better acoustic environment for the new sound system to work in, plus reduces that road noise that nobody really wants. So that's really, really effective on that install as well. Plus we've got the new powerful front end, fully active, loads of power being delivered into the new tweeters and 6.5-inch drivers in the door, all with custom built speaker rings. Then we've got the build in the back, which is done to customer specification, plus allowing for full storage area retained for a couple of bits and pieces that customer wanted to store underneath the false floor, but still all the boot space retained, but really, really nice bit of kit. The whole system's been put together in our workshop facilities here in Cambridge. So if you're interested in something like this, these sorts of videos are just basically giving you an idea of what's possible, plus you can configure these systems however you want during your audio consultation with us, where I'll sit down with you for around about sort of 20 minutes to 40 minutes, depending on how much depth you want to go through, and we'll sit down and go through and spec, design, and then install your new custom sound system. If you want like this stock look, or you want something completely different, you know exactly what to do, drop us a message on any of our social media platforms. But thank you very much for watching, guys, and we look forward to seeing you soon.